Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two drones with cameras, the S90 drone and the RADCLO mini drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, the camera quality is crucial. The S90 drone boasts a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. With its real-time live video feature, you can enjoy a bird's-eye perspective and even share your footage directly to social media. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone also offers a 1080p HD camera with a manually adjustable lens. This allows you to capture a wider field of view and share your breathtaking moments via the RADCLO FPV app. Both drones offer impressive camera capabilities, but the S90 drone takes the lead with its Wi-Fi connectivity and seamless social media integration. Now let's talk about flight performance. The S90 drone offers multiple control options, including remote app, voice, and gravity control. It also comes with more than 10 professional stunts, such as 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. With its stable flight and altitude hold feature, it's suitable for beginners and experienced pilots alike. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone is equipped with stable altitude hold technology and a powerful engine for a more stable hover. It also offers various functions like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even gesture control. Both drones provide an immersive flying experience, but the S90 drone's extensive control options give it an edge in this category. Portability and battery life are essential factors to consider, especially if you plan to take your drone on outdoor adventures. The S90 drone features a foldable design, making it compact and portable. It comes with two modular batteries that provide up to 26 minutes of flight time. This makes it a great choice for those who want extended flying sessions. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone may have a larger body size, but it also comes with a carrying case for easy transportation. It includes two 800 mAh batteries that offer a total flight time of 22 minutes. Both drones excel in terms of portability and battery life, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs. Lastly, let's look at the additional features and support provided by these drones. The S90 drone offers premium features like app control, gesture-based photo capture, and even VR mode for a first-person view. It also comes with excellent customer support, ensuring that you have assistance whenever you need it. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone offers a range of functions such as headless mode, 3D flips, and low battery warning. It also provides 24-hour technical support, quality warranty, and a money-back service. Both drones offer impressive features and reliable support, making them great options for drone enthusiasts. And that wraps up our comparison between the S90 drone and the RADCLO mini drone. Both drones have their strengths, but ultimately, the choice depends on your specific preferences and needs. We hope this video helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.